It's not the lottery, but winning does equal cash. We have seen 2 contestants this year in this segment take home money. A grand total of $9 the first week and $19 the second. That is, you can't combine that and make a tank of gas. The bank has not been broken, and the pot now up to $118. That'll buy some petrol. It's the Southwyck Lanes Bowling Challenge. Let's welcome in Jacob Coles. You know how it works. 3 strikes and you win the pot. Got to hit him in a row. Has not happened yet. Here's his first ball. Got to make this one. Yes! We're off to a good start. This is already better than it has been. Jacob started bowling at age 4. Would you like to guess his hobby? Think? It's bowling! Yes, it is! All right, so Jacob getting ready for his second throw here. Yeah, you got it? Yep, good. He was good on the first one. So it's got to be good on the second one to earn that 3rd straight to win the jackpot at $118. So here he goes. Jacob's second ball. No, not really. The split, that's not good. Oh. He had 300 games in it. Oh, is that Dad back there, Coach Coles? Oh, I see how it works. Maybe, yeah, don't take advice from Dad. Yeah. Pick this up, maybe. Oh, okay, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. I think Meatloaf saying something about that. What was it? The $19 again for the second week in a row. Steve Rockowitz, what's going on?
Had that first shot in there. You had to like that one for sure.
I did.
What was it about the second one? Just not able to get it back to the head pin?
I got out past my target a little bit and didn't come back right enough.
All right, able to make this, get 2 pins on that last shot though, so you got yourself $19 out of it. Not the 118 you were hoping for, right?
Nope, not quite.
All right, Jacob Coles able to get $19 out of it. We'll roll over the other $99 for next week.